Really? Okay, let me pet you some more. Paris is a good dog. Her's a good dog. Really? Alright. I'll pet you some more. That's it. That's it. That's it. I'm not petting you no more. No. No more. Alright. A little bit more. Oh, her likes to be petted. Yes, her does. Her's a good grand dog. He sure is. That's enough. Really? Oh, you want to be petted? You want me to pet you some more? Okay. Alright. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Her likes to be petted. All stretched out now. Is that enough? Uh-oh. Fell down. Is that enough? Hey. Is that enough?